Welcome to a brand new video and possibly series over a RoboInterface from fischertechnik, which is already connected to a small motor, as you can see. The purpose is different than the RoboInterfaces that I've used in my other project. The difference is that I am trying to program this in BASIC and nothing else. That means also that this is going to be embedded, and embedded means programmed into the interface instead of what you do with the Python library that you program on the computer and it runs via the RoboInterface. There's another distinct difference. This interface has two flash memories and random access memory, and in order to run the basic program you need an interpreter, since BASIC is an interpreter language. The interpreter is loaded in one flash memory. However, since the second flash memory has a limited number of writing cycles available, it is very much recommended to load any program that you want to run into the random access memory. So power off means gone. What else? Well, the difference is that this is unfortunately not designed for use with anything other than Windows. I do not have Windows, but there is Wine, and now comes the really strange combination that I program in a Windows program via Wine, then I compile it to get the file that I want, and using a Linux command which comes with the Linux library to use Python, I can upload it hopefully and run it. So this is going to be a nice experiment. And according to the creator of BASIC for RoboInterface, it is more versatile. So let's start doing things and see however it happens. If it fails, then the experiment is quickly over. If it works, then it might grow to something very nice. Anyway, let's go to the screencast and show whatever can be done. Right, so here we are with a camera view on the RoboInterface with the motor I showed you earlier already mounted to the first entrance of the motors. Then programs notepad. Yeah, it very much looks like a Windows program, which it is. And this is the terminal that I have started the program in. So this is all the starting via Wine. And I'm not going to explain everything, far from it. This is the command winepn.exe. It is in BASIC compiler subdirectory pn. I don't care at all. And here is a basic course. Oh yeah, right. And this is a PDF which speaks for itself. It's opened here, manual and the basic course. Basic, ground is ground course. And well, well, some bugs, which I haven't read by the way, a manual and test program, whatever. And, well, what can I say? This is the Linux program, FT Uploader, /n, which says that the interpreter is loaded into /1. And I'm supposed to, or not supposed to, but I want to enter my program into RAM, random access memory. I haven't written anything yet, so here in Tools it says compile and then upload. But since Windows emulation does not guarantee anything in connectivity, does not guarantee, it doesn't say it doesn't work, but I want to, well, you guess what. So I am just using compile to do it and then to upload stuff. Any program is consistent to or with a main, and now the other thing comes to mind. Say main colon and then something like this. Well, my motor is connected to 1, so let's just do that and wait for some milliseconds, and then motor 1 0. So milliseconds. Yeah, that's a nice one. How many milliseconds do they expect me to wait? Or is it indeed? Ah, they say half a 500, so half a second. Why not? No, I say 1 second. And then motor 1 0. Is that actually correct according to what they say? Well, yeah, okay. So this is motor 4, I think. And this is motor 1 for O2, for O2, O1 and O2. So why are they using 8? Okay, I'm going to ignore this for now. I need to save this. So okay, and save as. Save as. Let me just and type of files. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, this should actually be RIB. According to the manual, it should be RIB. Now, does it compile? Failed to create. File not found. You've got to be kidding. Yeah, this is downside to using Wine. Failed to it can't find the file. So, okay. That means that I will How did I use RI basic? No, that's not it. Oh, probably in here. Yeah, okay. So I have now to move from here to here, and then okay. So now I have to open it. Open. And I have to go to the compiler pn, and there is now this one is here. Can I do it now? Compile. What am I missing? On the other hand, the very first time that I did this, long time ago, I didn't use even this program. So there has to be another way, because this is downright annoying. Let me find another way to do it. Right, so I indeed found a way to compile without that program. That should be this way, with arguments, name of the program, and then two options that I'm not going to enter, but it's listed right here. And yes, it's in German, but since I can read it, that's no problem. Then to upload, I need a file name, which should then be hex format, a name, and destination. But first of all, of course, let's see if this is going to work. Of that, I'm very, very curious. Error. It already said error, but it went on very lightning fast, so I have no idea what is going to happen. I did it once, a long time ago, but I can't recall how exactly. I can file open error. Oh wait. Right. I should leave the .rib. That's interesting. Close. End of compiling. So, what did it do? Now I should be able to have RI basic something. I have these two files now. So, what happens now when I upload it? Oh, by the way, it is there in basic compiler, so I should not from here, but from yeah, that's not going to work like that, like this. So, oh dear. This is a nasty one, so I should go to, oh, download, of course. Oh, that's another one. That's another good one. Okay, so from download, from here, and then say uploader minus u, which is the upload the file to be uploaded. Then the name is given. Target. Let's see whatever happens. Okay. Nothing happened. Okay. What I can do, yep, this one. I need to have the correct version of the file, which is in this directory. So, no such file directory. Okay. This is what can happen if you do experiments and you don't prepare. You just do them like this. Well, this had no effect. Oh wait, this is because it has no effect. Right. Upload done. Yes. This means that when I now select RAM, I should have be able to run something. Question is, am I able to run something? Program. Oh wait, this is port, this is program. And it doesn't do a thing yet. Although oh, start program in Flash. Okay, then as RAM. Wow. Now that's a success. Yes. Done it. Very good. Right. Now there's a difference because I have opened in a terminal with VI what I've written so far. So main motor on the first input, and let me make it more clear because this is way more clear. And okay, I hope this is better and stay better. So first input of the motor maximum speed, wait, and then wait for a second and then stop. Well, I can also make it go stop and then say okay, wait a second and go the other way, -8. So that means that I have to recompile. And oh yeah, that's another point. A compiler and an interpreter are each other's opposites. But with a hex file you need an interpreter. So although usually you have a basic file and it is interpreted, this works obviously a little bit different. Okay, what happened? So, are we good to go? Or are we not good to go? I trust we are good to go. Let's try. If it works out, we will notice. Okay. Start. If it if the motor starts in the opposite way, it has worked. Yeah, definitely. It did work. Just strange. Oh, of course. Of course it runs shorter because I didn't do 1 second. And I can do that different, of course. Change this to half and then say no, this is too little. This is better. So another compilation. Oh, yeah, wait for a second and then stop. Yeah, I know that. Okay. So upload again. Start. And that's it. So this runs quite nicely. And now it is truly embedded and it's basic. No longer for this project, no Python. So this shows that output works. There's just one catch. I need some more parts to go on with this. But at least this works. And what is intended to run on Windows now runs on Linux as well. Ready to go on. So, yeah, actually I want to wrap this video So let's run it again and hold the motor. And you can also see that these LEDs are blinking while it's running. So, yeah, nice experiment and ready to continue in whatever way. So, for now, it was a bit of long time before things worked, but that's what you get with experiments. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion, and you can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support for my YouTube website, etc. by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. More information on the website. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, and depending on the pledge you make, also with my videos. The URL of my website and much more information under this video. Obviously, obviously this is going to be continued now. It works. And have a nice day, and bye bye.